Hello and welcome back to AI Ed. From Bits to Breakthroughs, I'm your host, Zoey 2.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Thank you for joining us again in the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series, where we provide you with the tools and insights to navigate the world of artificial intelligence. In our last episode, we compared open source versus proprietary AI solutions, helping you decide which fits your needs best. Today, we're diving into one of the most important areas of AI, language AI solutions. We'll explore the models and tools that power natural language processing, text analysis, and more. Let's get started. Language AI solutions focus on processing and understanding human language, often referred to as natural language processing, NLP. NLP is a field of AI that enables machines to read, interpret, and respond to human language in a way that's both meaningful and useful. This includes everything from chatbots and translation services to tools that summarize or analyze text. Language AI models are designed to process, understand, and generate human language, making them essential for a wide variety of tasks. Let's begin with some of the most well-known language AI models that are driving innovation in this space. GPT-4. Developed by OpenAI, this model is capable of generating human-like text and is used for tasks like content generation, summarization, and conversation. GPT-4 has been integrated into a range of applications, including chatbots and virtual assistants. BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. Developed by Google, BERT is a transformer model that excels in tasks like question answering and language understanding. It's used extensively in search engines to improve the relevance of results. T5, text-to-text transfer transformer. Another powerful model from Google, T5 treats every NLP task as a text-to-text transformation, making it versatile for tasks such as translation, summarization, and text classification. Now, let's talk about the tools that bring these models to life. Language AI tools enable users to apply models to real-world tasks without needing to know how the models work under the hood. Here are some popular examples. Perplexity, a tool designed for question answering, research, and real-time web search. Perplexity allows users to choose from various language models, including GPT and T5, while performing web searches to provide accurate, up-to-date information. This flexibility makes it highly useful for research and retrieving real-time insights. StabilityLM tools. Stability AI's language models can be accessed through their tools, offering flexible, open-source options for developers and researchers looking for advanced NLP capabilities. Palm 2. Available through Google Cloud AI and Gemini, Palm 2 is an advanced language model developed by Google. It supports tasks like text generation, translation, and reasoning, making it accessible for users looking to integrate powerful NLP capabilities into their projects. What about development platforms? When it comes to implementing language AI solutions, Hugging Face has become a central hub for the NLP community. Here's why it's particularly valuable for language AI. Model Hub. Hugging Face hosts thousands of pre-trained language models, from BERT variants to specialized models for specific languages or tasks. These models are ready to use and can be fine-tuned for your specific needs. Datasets. The platform provides access to numerous language datasets essential for training and testing language models. This includes datasets for different languages, dialects, and specific NLP tasks. Implementation tools. Through the Transformers library, Hugging Face makes it easy to implement state-of-the-art NLP models in your projects. This is particularly valuable for developers working with open-source language models. Our AI Solutions Marketplace helps you navigate these resources by curating the most effective language models. We provide direct links to model repositories and we include community feedback and use cases with user reviews. Our language AI models category is updated in real time to include all of the latest advancements in language AI models, tools, and platforms. This combination of our marketplace's curation and Hugging Face's resources helps ensure you can find and implement the right language AI solution for your specific needs. Language AI solutions are used across a variety of industries and applications. Some common use cases include customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants use language AI to provide real-time customer support, answering questions and resolving issues. Content creation. Tools like GPT-4 are used to generate blog posts, social media content, and even creative writing. Many businesses are leveraging AI to speed up content production while maintaining quality. Data analysis. Companies use language AI for text mining and sentiment analysis to extract insights from customer feedback, social media posts, and more. These are just a few examples of how language AI solutions are transforming industries and improving efficiency. At newbits.ai, you can explore a range of language AI models and tools in our AI Solutions Marketplace, where you'll find solutions tailored to your needs. In our next episode, we'll explore another vital area of AI, data AI solutions, diving into the models and tools that are helping businesses manage and analyze large data sets. Thank you for joining me for this episode of the AI Toolbox, Empowering the Learner series. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.